Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error message that says this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. It's quick and straightforward, so let's get started. To fix this error, we'll make some adjustments to the Windows Defender Firewall. Here's how you can do it. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click to open it. Next, click on Advanced Settings in the left-hand menu. Now, we'll create a new inbound rule for the Adobe app causing the error. Click on Inbound Rules from the left, then click New Rule on the right-hand side. Select Program and click Next. Now, browse to the location of the Adobe app you're using. This is usually in your C drive, Program Files, Adobe folder. For example, if the error is with Adobe Premiere, double-click the folder, select the app and press Next. Choose Block the Connection, click Next, and press Next again. Then give the rule a name, let's call it Adobe, and click Finish. Now, remove any existing rules for the same app. Find any existing rules for your Adobe app, right-click on each, and select to delete. The only rule you want to keep is the one we just created. Now, we'll repeat the process for Outbound Rules. Click Outbound Rules on the left, then New Rule on the right. Follow the same steps. Select Program, browse to your app's location, block the connection, and give it a name like Adobe. Click Finish when done. Double-check there are no other existing rules for the app. If it's clear, you're all set, and that's it. By following these steps, you should no longer see that this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled error. If this video helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have questions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.